the next time I do something crazy like this. I can't believe I'm finna do this. Oh my gosh. Here we go. A few moments later. Let me hurry up. It's burning a little bit, y'all. Oh, Lord. What is good, my beautiful people of YouTube land? It's your girl, EFA. I'm back at it one more again, trying to save some time and money and energy, boo. Guess what we gonna be doing today? Kind of an experiment. So I just washed my hair not too long ago, probably about 3 hours ago. And everywhere I looked on Google, I could not find the answer to my question. Can I wash my hair and then blow dry it and then dye it? Let me rephrase that. Bleach it. There's a difference. Big difference. Anyway, I have the kaleidoscope or Kaleidocolors, whatever. I have the 40 volume developer, which really, on my real hair, I should have gotten like a 20 or a 30, but this is all I have. You know what? Let me go see if I got, I think I might have a 30. Anyway, this is what we're doing today, guys. Ready to see what happens? I hope I have hair at the end of this video. Would y'all still love me if I don't? Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, comment below, and hey, if your comment gets the most amount of likes, I will shout you out in my next video. So comment down below, guys. Don't forget to hit that bell notification when you subscribe to your girl, helping you do it yourself, boo. Stay tuned. Okay, so I took 40 and 30 volume developer. Where is it? The 40 and the 30. I put it together, equal parts, and together 30 plus 40 equals 70 divided by 2. That's 35. So 35 volume developer. And I put equal parts developer with equal parts Kaleidocolor. It made this lovely mixture. Can y'all see that? Y'all, I am so nervous because I have never, ever mixed dry powder with developer and put in my hair. The closest thing I've done to that is to do my wigs. And I mean, they came out all right, but I'm just saying, this is my hair, y'all. So I just pray that I have hair by the end of this video. I love y'all though, so I'm gonna try this, see what happens, what happens. So yeah, like on Google, they said to never wash your hair and then bleach your hair. I actually did find that on Google. It wasn't on there a couple months ago though. I promise you it wasn't. I searched. It might have been on there. I probably just didn't look good enough. Anyway, all right, so let's get this party started. Don't forget to comment down below, you guys. Would y'all do this? Would you do this at home? I'm gonna throw this away. That was my little mixer. I divided my hair into 4 parts, like I kind of try to tell y'all. It just makes me feel like I have less hair to do, and it makes it easier for me. Y'all, I'm terrified, y'all. Like, if I start screaming, don't you scream too. Just call the police, okay? Call the ambulance or something. Like, do something. Do something. Don't just sit there and watch me just not have hair no more, though, okay? All right. Comment below. Let me know. And don't forget, the person who has the most likes on their comment will get shouted out in the next video. So comment down below. Like, subscribe, click that bell notification so you are notified the next time I do something crazy like this. I can't believe I'm finna do this. Oh my gosh. Here we go. If I start screaming, y'all know why. Oh my gosh. I'm finna go so fast. So I greased my hair, or I oiled my hair with the coconut oil blend by Noir Gold. I know that the thing that would mimic my real natural oils, the best would be some all natural good product. So Noir Gold, if you look down below the video, you can find a link. I just touched my scalp, but I'm not worried because I use Noir Gold. What am I doing? I'm acting like I don't know, y'all. I guess I'm kind of nervous. I'm stressed out. I haven't even said her freaking website yet. It's www.noirgoldproducts.com. If you look down below in the description, there is a 25% coupon code down there for y'all because I love y'all. So get the coupon code, go on the website, get you some products. They are all natural, all great. They're versatile. Like the coconut oil blend, I have used that on my face. Like I had what looks like, it looked like it was AIDS on my forehead or something. I don't know. Like I swear it looked like I had the EBOLA virus on my forehead. I kid you not. Like I went to work and my manager was like, what's wrong with your face? She might as well have said that. She said, what's wrong with your forehead? And I was like, what's wrong with your forehead? Shoot. And she was like, no, what's that? And I'm like, gosh, what if I was self-conscious? Self-conscious. Oh my goodness. I think the bleach done went to my brain. Self-conscious. Oh my gosh. Y'all know what I'm trying to say about it. Goodness gracious. What if I was self-conscious about it? But she was like, what is that? And I told her that it was my sebaceous dermatitis / eczema that had scarred up. And I used Noir Gold's coconut oil blend, the same thing that I based my scalp with, my hair. I used that on my forehead. That disgusting. I will put a picture of it right here. Y'all see that? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. All right, y'all. I'm sorry to gross you out like that. But yeah, I had to look at that and live with that for probably about a good 2 days, really. Because I swear, y'all, I used it one night. And that next morning, it was like dang near, oh my gosh, it was like half the size dang near. I couldn't believe it. So not only are her products all natural, organic, like legit made in small batches, you know what I'm saying? Like with care, with love, with grace, baby. Oh, let me hurry up. It's burning a little bit, y'all. Oh, Lord, G. Oh, Lord, G. I went through my phone and my son's phone, and the freaking video kept getting cut off. So I'm so sorry that I was not able to record the full video from start to finish of me bleaching my hair. But the myth has been just like that. It's been busted. You can wash your hair and you can bleach it on the same day. Disclaimer, I'm not a professional hairstylist. I am a registered nurse. So, with that being said, do you, boo. Do what you gonna do. I can't tell y'all what to do and what not to do, but if you have a day where you just got to bleach your hair, and of course there's some spots that were, because once I got back here, y'all, I ran through it, because I had went to like comb it through or work it through or whatever you want to call it, because it wasn't like I was combing it. I was like, you know, just with a wide tooth comb, like just trying to straighten it out after I got through it, everything. And y'all, I combed it and I saw some hair in the comb that looked like it was more than what it should have been. That was all I needed to see. I was like, oh no, my hair is about to be in the sink. No. So anyway, Noir Gold. Yeah, y'all can see that. Noir Gold. This is the Natural Growth Oil. Yeah, Natural Growth Boosting Oil, my bad. I am using this now. Like, I've used it, you know, I've gone through my hair, especially in the areas that have had breakage or damage around my edges. Of course, I put this because one thing about wearing wigs is that it can kind of damage not just your hair but your skin too. But if y'all can see, I do shave my edges back, but my skin is getting irritated. So I said, well, let me just put some of this growth boosting oil on here. So when I'm ready for my edges to grow back, which is going to be very, very soon, after I finish this last install, I'm going to cut out on wigs for just a second because I'm going to do a crochet and braid video for you guys. Anyway, this is the coconut oil blend that I use to like base my hair, and I've used it also. I've gone through and I've parted my hair and greased my scalp in the front. I still have to do it in the back, but I did the front. So I just finished blow drying this part of my hair, and now I'm about to get my straightening comb. Oh, okay, great. I'm gonna get my straightening comb and I'm gonna straighten it out so I could bust some braids in his head for this wig install. So thank you guys for watching. I love you so much, and I thank God for you guys. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell notification when you do, so you are notified each and every time I drop new content for you guys, so you could do it yourself, boo. Yes. Love you guys. Don't forget to leave a comment below, and whoever has the most amount of likes on that comment will get shouted out in my next video. Y'all have a great day.